and today I will tell you about simplifications and most important tricks I will tell you. First of all, see multiplication. How to multiply two numbers, and basically this method is called Japanese method. Okay, for example, 12 into 13. How to multiply 12 into 13? So first see the trick. In case of 12, the first digit is 1. So draw a line, only one line. Then the second digit is 2. So draw two lines here below this one. Then in the second number, the first one is 1. So draw only one line. And here it is 3. So draw 3 lines. So how to calculate? What is the answer? The answer will be, go from downward. What is the point of intersection? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So last one is 6. Then count these numbers diagonally. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this one is 5. Then this one 1. So the answer is 156. Okay. Now let us take another example. If it is 105 into 210. So how to multiply this one? It is 1, so draw only one horizontal line. Then it is 0, that means draw zigzag line. That means it is only useless line. And then draw 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then in the second number, it is 2. Draw 2 lines. Then 1 line. Then 0. Then let us calculate. The answer will be, first, see here, calculate this one. And there is no point of, this is not a straight line. So there is no point of intersection between two straight lines. So this one is 0. And then, see here, this is like this. So how to calculate? First calculate this one, then these two, then these 3, then these 2, then this one. Diagonally you have to write. So here there is no point of intersection between two lines. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 5 here. Then these 3. Here it is 0. Here it is also 0. And in this case 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here. So 0. Then carry 1. So in this case it is 1 and it is 0. So it is 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Then in this case it is 2. So answer is this one. See here. If you will multiply a 2-digit number with a 3-digit number. See here. If you will multiply 23 with 105. So how will you multiply? So in this case, take 0 here. Then apply the same rule. Okay. Then you can multiply. And now, how to multiply? Add and subtract on multiplication numbers of these types. 7 whole, 13 whole, 7 by 66 and 4 whole, 5 by 66. How to add these two numbers? See here how interesting it is. 7 by 66, 13 whole, 7 by 66 plus 4 whole, 5 by 66. Simply add these two numbers. It is 13 plus 4, 17. And then add these two numbers. 7 plus 5, 12. So 12 by 66. 17 whole, 12 by 66. Clear? Then see here. If you subtract 13 whole 7 by 66 minus 4 whole 5 by 66. It will be 13 minus 4. It will be 9. And subtract this 2. 7 minus 5. It is 2. So 2 by 66. See here. For example, 8 whole 1 by 33 plus 1 whole 3 by 66. So how to add this one? So now 8 plus 1, it is 9 whole. See here, if you add these two, simply multiply 2 in the numerator and denominator, so that the denominator will become 66. Denominator must be same. So it will be 2 by 66 plus 1 3 by 66. So 2 plus 3 is 5. So 5 by 66. Clear? Now addition subtraction already you have done. And how to multiply the numbers of this type? See here, 2 whole into 3 whole 3 by 12. How to multiply these two numbers? Simply multiply 2 into 3, it is 6, then 2 into 3, 6 by 12. Multiply 2 to this number as well as to this number. It will become 6 and this will become 6. 6 by 12, it is 1 by 2. So 6 whole 1 by 2. Simply another number, 3 whole 2, 1 by 12. How to do this one? 3 into 2, 6, then 3 by 12. 3 by 12 is 1 by 4. 6 whole 1 by 4. Clear? Now see here. How to find out the largest of two numbers? How to find out the largest of two numbers? 16 by 6 by 13 and another number is 5 by 7. And you have to decide which one is a larger one. Simply multiply these two. Here the product is 7 into 6 is 42, and here the product is 30 into 5 is 65. So 65 is the larger one. Here, and 65 means here say 6 into 7 is equal to 42 and 13 into 5 is equal to 65, and 65 is larger. And among these two numbers, one is a numerator and another is a denominator. 6 is the numerator, 7 is the denominator of this number. And here also 13 is the denominator and 5 is the numerator. And compare with the numerator. Here 65 is the larger one, and in 65 you have to select the numerator, and the numerator is 5. So the fraction whose numerator is 5 is the larger one. That means 5 by 7 is the larger one. Clear? Now see here. Now very interesting things I am going to tell you. If the question is like this, or x minus x minus x minus like this, and the condition is that x can be expressed as the product of two consecutive integers, x equal to n into n plus 1. Then in this case, this one is smaller, this one is larger, and in case of plus you should select the larger one. In case of minus, you should select the smaller one. So in this case the answer will be n plus 1, and in this case the answer will be n. I am giving you an example. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus so on. Now 6 is equal to 2 into 3, and here it is plus sign is there. So you should decide the larger one. So answer is 3. And if it is 12 minus 12 minus 12 minus 1, and express 12 as the product of two consecutive integers, 3 into 4. So minus is there, and if minus is there, so you should select the smaller one. So answer is 3. Clear? Now see here. If the number cannot be expressed as the product of two consecutive integers, in that case I am giving examples. By the help of examples I will explain it. For example, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus so on. Okay, 3 cannot be expressed as the product of two consecutive integers. So after 3, it is 4. 4 cannot be expressed. 5 also cannot be expressed. So come to the point 6. So after 3, the next number you should decide which can be expressed as the product of two integers. That means 6, which can be expressed as 2 into 3, product of two consecutive integers. So here the value, if it is x is equal to this one, then x is less than 3 and greater than 2. This is the answer. X was between 2 and 3. Here, then see here. If it will be minus 3, minus 3, minus 3, minus 1. 3 cannot be expressed as the product of two consecutive integers, and the minus is there. So you should go before 3, less than 3. Less than 3 means 2. 2 can be expressed as the product of two consecutive integers. 2 is equal to 1 into 2. So if this number is x, so x, the value of x will be, it is less than 2 and greater than 1. That means if the number can be expressed as the product of two consecutive integers, that means natural numbers, then if it is plus sign is there, then write the larger one, and if it is minus sign is there, then write the smaller one. And if this number cannot be expressed as the product of two consecutive integers, then if plus sign is there, then select the number which is larger than the number and can be expressed as the product of two consecutive natural numbers, and the value of x should be lie between those two numbers. And here minus sign is there, so you should select the number less than 3 and can be expressed as the product of two consecutive integers. Here 2 can be expressed as the product of two consecutive integers. That means 1 into 2. So the value of x lies between 1 and 2. Next, see here. If the number is like this, x into x into x into x up to infinity, and it is root over is there. So the answer will be simply x. So that means I am giving an example. Here into sign is there and up to infinity it is there. So 2, 2, 2, so on. And the answer will be 2. You can see here how it is true. Y is equal to x, 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 so on. So I can write x into y. This term is y. And root over of this one. So squaring y square is equal to x into y. So take to one side y square minus xy, or cancel out y because y is non-zero. So cancel out y from both the sides. So y is equal to x. So this is the answer. Okay. And now if it is finite, not infinity, then what will be the answer? And square root is there. So the answer will be x to the power. So how many square roots are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 to the power 4. It is 16. So 15 by 16. 1 less. You should write the denominator for 16. Then 1 less than the denominator. That means 15 by 16. You should write like this. And if it is like this, x into x into x, it will be x to the power 2 into 2 into 2, 8. So write the denominator as 8 and 1 less than the denominator. That means 7 by 8. So like this 2, 2, 2, 2. So the answer will be 2 to the power. How many square roots are there? 4. So that means half into half into half. Similarly, 4 will be half. It will be 16 and the numerator is 15 by 16. And it will be 3, 3, 3 like this. And the answer will be 3 to the power. And how many square roots are there? 3. So 8. And 1 less than the denominator, 7. So 3 to the power 7 by 8. Okay, see here. How to find out the missing number? 6 into 3 by this one, missing number is there, into another missing number is there, 2 by 3 is equal to 13. So how to find out these two missing numbers? Here, see here, 6 point something, this one, and this is point something. So what should be there so as to make it 30? Here, if it will be 4, 6 4 are 24. So 6 5 are 30 and point something, it will cross 30. So this number will be 4. If it will be 5, then the product will be greater than 30. So it must be, this quantity must be 4. So that means 6 whole 3 by this one is equal to 30 minus 4 whole 2 by 3. Then calculate this one and then express this number in this form, 6 whole 3 by something. Then compare both the sides. That means this number will be 30 minus 3 4 are 12, 12 plus 2, 14, 14 by 3. Then take the LCM. Then after that express 6 whole something, 3 by something. So this will be the answer of this one. First of all, calculate this one. 6 into something must be just less than 30. If we will take it 5, 6 5 are 30 and point something, it will overtake 30. So we should write 4 here. Then this number is determined. Then take this number, this total number to right hand side. Then compare both the sides, so we get this one. Another formula see here. A plus b whole square. Already you have known from class 6. A plus b whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. And another formula, a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. And how to use these formulas? See here. 3.75 into 3.75 plus 2 into 3.75 into 0.25 plus 0.25 into 0.25. Compare this line with these two lines. A into a square plus 2ab plus b square. So the formula is a plus b whole square. That means 3.75 plus 0.25 whole square. And 3.75 plus 0.5 is 4, 4 square is 16. So this one is answer. So you should remember these two formulas. And if this will be minus, see here. If you take this one as minus, that means it is the form of, in this form, a square minus 2b plus b square. So answer will be a minus b whole square. So this will be minus. And then calculate. 3.75 minus 0.25, it will be 3.50. Then whole square of 3.50. See here. And another formula is there. A plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is twice of a square plus b square. A plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is twice of a square plus b square. Already we have read in class 6, 7. So I am given an example. See here. 63 plus 36 whole square plus 63 minus 36 whole square divided by 63 whole square plus 36 whole square. Don't calculate these things. It is in the form a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square divided by a square plus b square. A plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square divided by a square plus b square. It will be equal to 2. So write answer directly 2. Don't calculate it. A plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square divided by a square plus b square. It will be equal to 2. Then another formula see here. A plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is equal to 4ab. I am given an example. 14.5 plus 6.23 whole square minus 14.5 minus 6.23 whole square divided by 14.5 plus into 6.25. This is the form a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square divided by ab, not 4ab, it is ab. So a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square divided by ab. will be equal to 4. So answer is directly also write 4. Here. Now see here. A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. And I am giving an example of this formula. 1.73 whole square minus 0.27 whole square divided by 1.73 minus 0.27. A square minus b square, a square minus b square divided by a minus b, divided by a minus b. It will be a plus b. So a plus b means 1.73 plus 0.25. It will be equal to 2. A square minus b square, a square minus b square divided by a minus b. If it will be a minus b, then the answer will be a plus b. If you divide a plus b, the answer will be a minus b. Like this. Then see. Another formula. A plus b whole cube. It will be a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. And a cube, I can write like this. A cube plus b cube. Take 3ab common from these two terms. You will get a plus b. And I am giving an example of this type. See here. 0.6 into 0.6 into 0.6 plus 0.4 into 0.4 into 0.4 minus 0.72 plus 0.72. Here it is 0.6 whole cube plus 0.4 whole cube, a cube plus b cube plus 3 into 0.6 into 0.4 into a plus b, 0.6 plus 0.4. This becomes 1 and the product of this one is 0.72 and here. So answer will be a plus b whole cube, a plus b whole cube, a plus b 0.6 plus 0.4 whole cube of this one. Then see here. Another formula I am giving you. This will become minus and this term will be minus and this one will be equal to minus. See here, I am given an example 4.35 whole cube minus 3 into 4.35 whole square plus 3 into 4.35 into 0.35 whole square minus 0.35 whole cube divided by 16. See here, a cube minus 3 a square b plus 3 a b square minus b cube, and the formula is a minus b whole cube. That will 4.35 minus 0.35 whole cube divided by 16, and the numerator is 4 within the bracket. 4 cube, 4 into 4 into 4 divided by 16. So answer is 4. You have to remember all these formulas, and these formulas already you have read in class 6, class 6, 7. So you have to remember. If you remember this formula, then you can apply directly. See here, another question I am telling you. Formula a cube plus b cube divided by a square minus ab plus b square is equal to a plus b, and another is a cube minus b cube divided by a square plus ab plus b square is equal to a minus b. That means this is the formula of a cube plus b cube. See here, if it is plus, then in the denominator the middle term will be minus and the answer will be a plus b, and if it is minus, then the middle term will be plus and the answer will be a minus b. See here, I am giving an example. 0.125 plus 0.064 divided by 0.25 minus 0.2 plus 0.16. It seems very complicated. Actually, the numerator is 0.5 whole cube plus 0.4 whole cube divided by 0.5 whole square minus 2 into 0.5 into 0.4 plus 0.4 whole square. This one. A cube plus b cube divided a square minus ab plus b square. A cube plus b cube divided a square minus ab simply. Not 2ab. ab plus b square. So the answer will be a plus b. A plus b means 0.4 plus 0.5. It will be 0.9. So this is the answer. So after doing this, most probably we can do all the problems on simplification, and the rest of the questions which we will face in the simplification chapter, only you want to remember the multiplication table. Simply remember the multiplication table, you can do the other problems. And the tricks which I have told you, if you apply these tricks in the problems, it will be very, very simple. And thank you for watching my class. I hope it will be very beneficial for you.